Hey guys, it's Joe from Pocketnow.com, and what I'd like to show you today is what I think is really the ideal Android app. Now, I'm not talking about content, I'm talking about execution and delivery. The app is IMDb, it's the Internet Movie Database. You're probably familiar with their website. I'm really not happy with their website. It's got a lot of information all over the place. It's not elegant, it's not simple, it just has a ton of information. Well, they took all that information, they made it available to their Android app, and they really pulled it off, and it's fabulous. Let's go take a look. Okay, so this is the IMDb app for Android. This is what I really like. First and foremost, it's clean. There's nothing here that doesn't need to be here. Very easily you can choose between movies, TV, and people. That's like your actors and actresses, directors, and whatnot. I haven't found a place for key or dolly grips yet, but I'm still hoping they'll add that in. Over here you've got the most viewed titles on IMDb, so you're aggregating by frequency of viewership. So chances are if you're looking for something, it's going to be something other people have also looked for, and it's just right there. You can also look up movie showtimes, what's coming soon, box office results, a bunch of other stuff. Now, here's an interesting thing that I'd like to show you. First and foremost, you've got 3 navigation techniques on this page. Now, I know this isn't really a UI type of website. I mean, we review apps and phones and stuff. But let me show you how they did this right. First of all, you've got different tabs where you can go between the different sections. That's great. Next, you've got this that you can scroll side to side. So that's another way to get through it, and it's very intuitive. And lastly, you've got this down on the bottom where you can scroll up and down. And you can see how doing this would make use of basically any kind of screen resolution, widescreen, narrow screen, even square screen. So they did a really good job there. Alright, so let's see where this really shines. Let's go in and look at Toy Story 3. I haven't seen it yet, so please no spoilers in the comments, okay? From here, we can see what it is, rated G, an hour, 43 minutes. We can see that this is the movie we're talking about. It's not that one from 1984, which could be the case, not to mention anyone's like Tron. I don't like how this goes away from the side-to-side swipe that we just got used to, but I can see why. You tap on that and it brings up all of these images. You can't do that really well in a side scroller like that. So I don't like it, but it works. Next, you've got showtimes. Based on your geolocation, it's going to show you showtimes for today at various different movie theaters. Let's say I want to do this. It's right down the street for me. I can see right there showtimes for all of the shows that are playing there. But let's go back. Next, what I want to do is show you the trailer. So right here, we tap on Watch Trailer. It's going to switch into landscape mode, and then we're going to watch the trailer. Now, I'm not going to make you sit through the whole thing, but just to show you how seamless this is, right there we were looking at information about the movie. We got movie showtimes, and now we can see the trailer to see if it's something that we really want to see. So, really cool. And last but not least, I want to show you this down here. We've got the synopsis, and then we've got the cast. Let's go into Tom Hanks, kind of like that guy. And this is where the People tab comes into play. This shows you a bit more about him, where he was born, how old he is, what his full name is, what movies he starred in, and a little biography. Very, very concise, very in-depth, and it's really easy for you to drill down and get the information that you want to see. Now, this is something I would like to see every single Android app take advantage of. You should be able to show a lot of information, but organized very well, very succinctly on your screens, and navigate very quickly between those screens. We're over a Wi-Fi N connection here, so things went pretty well, but still over 3G, the speeds are just fine, and it really shows off what Android and a good UI team can do. So any of you developers out there, look at this. I'm also going to review one other app in the coming days that I really think shows off good UI and the power of Android, but this is what you should be aiming for. Now, of course, that's just one man's opinion, so all you viewers out there, now's your chance. Go down to the comments below, Tell me if I'm right, tell me if I'm wrong, give me some other ideas of apps you'd like me to review that are really good, or you know what, let's get the really, really bad ones in here too. It's our operating system, it's our environment. It's up to us to tell the developers what we like and what we don't, and we could use this as a forum to be able to do that. So go ahead and leave me comments down in the comment area. Visit Pocketnow.com for the article associated with this video. If you thought the video was worthwhile, give it a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe to our channel so you can see the coming videos and the apps that I'm going to review next.